soon you'll be done. I was like, oh, cool. And then I got dizzy and I was like, whoa.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
Oh my god.
It was quick. I didn't even have time to play around on my computers.
I'm sorry. They're a little tender.
You're a little tender. Does it hurt though, or not really?
It's a little painful.
You gonna be able to stand up?
Did I walk in here?
I have no idea. I wasn't here yet.
I just walked in here.
Oh, you did?
I don't know.
Whatever. I would imagine you probably didn't walk in here though.
I haven't been in here the whole time.
Well, I know. They
I
probably.
woke up over there.
You woke up over there. You remember?
I don't know.
Probably.
Did they tell you to stop eating Savage Kids?
No, they were cool with them.
I said, let me go get my husband, tell him to stop eating Savage Kids out there.
Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Shit.
Was I in here when you came back?
Well, yeah. That was like a minute ago. Are you still sleeping? Can you take a nap?
You can just leave me here.
Get you in the morning?
They said I can drink stuff.
Yeah. Get you a bottle of wine?
Awesome.
That's like legitimate. Don't choke on those things.
There's things we have in my mouth.
They're just gonna dissolve.
They dissolve.
That's weird. I didn't know that.